Okay, in this video we're going to learn how you can make over 300% APR on SUI. It's called yield farming. What's mean we're providing liquidity and we're earning the fees. Okay, this is one of the best way how we can earn passive income in the crypto space. Now there are many different ways, but yield farming is one of my top favorite because we're just providing liquidity. It's called concentrated liquidity pools. We're finding good DEXs, we're providing liquidity, we earning money from the fees. More trading volume it is, more money we make. Simple as that. Okay, so let me teach you step by step everything you need to know how you can provide liquidity on SUI, and stay tuned to the end because that's how you can learn. Okay, this video is for education purposes only. Make sure you understand that nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. Okay, this crypto is extremely risky. Now SUI is one of my favorite tokens. Okay, so if you go back to max, you will see that the price is what all-time high was $2 and went down here all-time low at around 40 cents. And it's pretty new token, by the way. We talk about like just a few months, almost a year ago, and it just went up over $2. Okay, now it's around 169, and I was out of range for the last like 2 days because my range it was just around 164, and I'm now in range and I'm making some money. Okay, so let's talk about how we can make over here 106, but I'm going to show you how you can make over 300% APR on TURBOS and CETUS, one of my two favorite DEXs. Again, make sure you understand, do your research and all that stuff. Now, if you go to DeFi Llama, in DeFi Llama, you will see that the SUI network have 667 million total value locked on SUI network, what is amazing. Okay, in the last 24 hours, we have 67 million trading volume. Okay. Now, if you see right here, okay, is going up and the right, what's mean more trading volume coming on SUI. Now, if you go down here, this is on DeFi Llama, amazing tool for research. Okay, you will see that CETUS is one of the DEX. I'm going to show you how you can earn fees. What is over 120 million TVL, and we have TURBOS over 21 million TVL. Make sure you understand that more down you go to any DEXs, just don't go. All right, it's extremely too risky. It doesn't matter how much they pay, it's extremely risky. They can rug and all this stuff. Again, CETUS is the biggest one, and we have TURBOS also. I checked this one, still don't have good farms, not yet, and this one I didn't check, so maybe I should check it later on. Okay, so let's go back for TURBOS. So first, what you need to do, first you need a wallet. Okay, so I did few videos how you can install wallet. I'm not sure if I did for ETHOS, but I think I did. So go here. So this is the two DEXs what I'm using. So if you go to CoinGecko and if you just type TURBOS, they have their own tokens. Okay, TURBOS Finance, go to TURBOS Finance, you will see there's exchange, and go here down and you will see press here, and then it's going to bring you to this link here. Or if you want to find the link also for CETUS, just go to CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, put CETUS, and you will see they are right here. This is their exchange. Okay, so right here, this is CETUS exchange, and also they have their own token. Now, this is CETUS, and this is TURBOS. Okay, I like TURBOS because have the best, okay, easy user face. I find this one and Orca. Why? I will show you why. Okay, so what are you going to do? First, you need to connect your wallet. Go and download the wallet. I'm using ETHOS. Okay, you can go with SUI and SUI wallet, do your research. Okay, which one do you want to use? OKX if you want to use, and you go. I'm going to ETHOS. Okay, once you go to ETHOS, go and connect. Okay, once you log in, make sure you connect and then send some SUI. How you can send some SUI? You can bridge, or what I'm doing is I'm going to my Binance or KuCoin or any centralized exchange and send directly SUI to your wallet. Simple as that. SUI is the main token to pay gas fee. Gas fee is extremely cheap, like a couple of cents only for every transaction, and that's what makes this amazing. Okay, so here you will see I'm going for TURBOS first, and I'm going to explain you for CETUS how much you can earn. Okay, so go here to pools. So this is TURBOS and CETUS, two different exchange. Okay, now here on TURBOS you will see that trading volume is 22 million and locked, and only 10 million for trading volume. 10 million is a lot of money. However, this was around 20 million just few days ago, but now the TVL went down, and that's why the APR went down. So this one, SUI and USDC, is between 150 and around 253-50% APR for the last 4-5 months. If you go just for the DEX screener, okay, and I just scroll some lines here for you, and you will see that, let me just move this one, and you will see that I just scroll the lines, and you will see here from February, okay, this is for the last, maybe even from January, right here from February, the beginning of February, that the price is in this range. So we talk, this only stop up here just for a couple of days and come back. Okay, so this is one of the top range you can set up. Again, do whatever you want. This is, don't do whatever I do whatever you want. Okay, I'm just showing you what I'm planning to do, and you can set around 140, 145, maybe up to $2, and you will see this. If you've been in this farm, you're going to make around almost 0.81, 1 point something % every single day, because the APR here is not fixed. Okay, what's mean more trading volume it is, more the APR going up. So this APR was just above 170 just a couple of hours ago, because went up the trading volume. Okay, so how you can add liquidity? First, you need some SUI and USDC. Okay, so go to add liquidity. I'm reckoning you already sent some SUI to your wallet. You go here, you will see I have 19 SUI and 22 USDC for the purpose of this video. So this is contract rate liquidity pool. What's mean is we saying that the price range will be between here, and we're going to earn in this money, in this range money. Okay, so here you will see how easy it is. That's why I like. So here you will see if you want to make more, if you want to make, let's say 700% APR, okay, that's mean here you will see that the range will be between 163 and 172. Okay, and now it's 168 we said, correct? So that's a little bit too risky, so be careful there, don't be greedy, but we need some mid-range. Okay, so some range where we can make some good passive income for the long term. So right here you will see if you go between 157, okay, to 180, we're going to earn almost 300%. That's amazing. But if you click here to, let me just zoom in to Pro, okay, and here you will set up your range by yourself. Isn't this amazing? How easy is this? All right, let me just zoom out. Okay, how easy. So first, there we go, set up price range, set deposit amounts, okay, and then add liquidity. Simple as that. Okay, so if you want here, let's say you think that the price will don't drop more than 157, and maybe you want to go to 180, okay, 184, you will see your APR is 234%. But if you say, okay, you know what, I'll be more riskier, and I think the price will be between 157 and 178 for the next couple of days, couple of weeks, I don't know, that's up to you. That's why we're doing some TA analysis again. Okay, so this is, remember, I'm talking about when the trading volume is low, and here you can earn easy 300% APR. Okay, so that's how you can get 300% APR. If the TVL is growing up, okay, like was just a few hours ago or just 5 days ago, this number on this range, okay, -7 + 7, okay, is going to be probably around 700-800% APR. So if you want to be more passive, okay, if you want to be more passive, you say, okay, it will be between 146 and maybe 180, okay, and then you're going to get 182% APR. Isn't that crazy? Okay, if you want to go to up to 190, okay, you're going to earn at the moment 150% APR. That is amazing. Okay, so ±13%. Okay, so it depends. What I did is right now I put around 161, okay, 162 up to, that's me, up to $2, okay, right here, 212, and this is what I'm earning right now, okay, at this moment. So this is fluctuating, so this APR is not static. Again, it depends how is the trading volume. So why I like CETUS? CETUS have huge TVL. Okay, you look 42 million trading volume with compared to 10 million trading volume. Okay, now that's why I like. So check this out. Go look SUI and USDC. I don't have the white, by the way, here, so make sure you watch the screen. Don't drive and watch. Now look, SUI and USDC. Okay, liquidity 18 million, trading volume almost 18 million, what is huge. That's very important, by the way, volume to be equal or more than liquidity. And fees, we have $45,000 for 24 hours. It's divided for everybody who provide liquidity, 45,000. So APR is approximately, this is projected, 212% APR. Okay, this is on CETUS. Okay, this is projected again. So if you want to add liquidity here, you go, you press here, it's exactly the same. But the problem here is when you set up the range, okay, let's say you want between 150 to, let's say 2, it's not going to show you how much percent APR. This is only here, it says APR, but this is showing only the pool APR. But it look, even if I change, okay? It's not fluctuating like turbos, and that's what I don't like. The only reason here, I still stake here, you will see my stake. However, what you can do is you can go to turbos, and if you like to use CETUS, of course, see what's between this percentage, how much you're approximately going to earn, and go and set up the same range here, and you're going to earn exactly the same. All right, so let's go and add some liquidity, because this video is becoming almost 10 minutes. So what you need to do here is, let's say I want to add this liquidity between -4 plus 26%, or let's say plus 1.9, okay? Or to be more aggressive, let's say 1.7. No, it's too aggressive. Let's say 1.8. Okay, so what we can do is 250% APR, but this is aggressive. Again, this is just for the video, so be careful there. So it's here is telling you that you need to put 64% SUI and 38% USDC. So if I want to put 90% SUI, okay, let's say I want to put 18 SUI, then I need to add $19 of USDC value. So add liquidity, approve, you approve both of them. Again, let me log in. Okay, approved. Make sure if you're using a ledger, always it's a section there where you need to blind. Okay, make sure you do that. There we go. Congratulations, you are now earning 350% APR. Okay, isn't that crazy? That's about it. You can withdraw anytime you want. There we go. Unclaimed rewards. I just start earning money 0008. Okay, it was what, a second? I start earning already money. So we'll come back here just in a second. You will see that this number. So remember this number 0826. Okay, 82. Now I have $50 of liquidity. If you want to withdraw, go here, remove liquidity. Okay. And then go 100% and remove. That's about it. Simple. If you want to add more, okay, if you want to add more, increase liquidity, go here, increase liquidity, and then you just add more. Okay, simple as that. Now this is the trading fees, what you're getting. Okay, and this is the rewards also, how much you're getting. So there are two different rewards, but approximately that's how much you're earning. 350% APR on this pool. Okay, this, look, 48. Isn't this crazy? Okay, 00048. So we went down with 10. That's crazy. Okay, that's how fast. Oh, there we go. 82. Sorry, SUI. I earned SUI. There we go. 82. So 82 still. Okay, so it's very, very fast when you earn it. So if you go to CETUS, okay, and if you go to your liquidity, you will see here my liquidity. Okay, in this wallet, if you go here, and you will see that there we go, I have $2,000 liquidity. Price range, this is my price range. You will see I supposed to put a little bit down, okay, 150 maybe, but you know, but it is what it is. It's 168 now, so my portion is between 161 and 9 to up to 215. So because I think SUI is going to go up, so that's why I'm that's why I set up this range. Again, don't do what I do. And here you will see pending yield. It's $16 I have to take in around 1 day time, because in the last 2 days I barely was, it was below this price, and I was earning, not earning, not earning. So I'm going to go above 62 cents, I'm going to make some money. If it go below, I'm not going to make. So that's about it, how you can stake yield farming on turbos. Okay, so let's go back and see how much we earn. And look, it's just been what, 2 minutes. We already trade fees, we have 000199 trading fees, and rewards 000446. Okay, so this is how fast it's working. That's mean we are own bank, and we earning from DeFi every single minute while you sleep or you work, wherever you do whatever you want. All right, so the video is already 14 minutes. Thank you so much. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you want me to cover any other chain. I'm planning to cover Solana when it's much better, because it's very slow right now. Also the base is very hot, so maybe I will cover that in the next 2-3 days time. And that's about it. Thank you so much. God bless all of you. Join my Telegram, it's free. Ask me any question you have, or if you have any questions, just shoot them down in the description, in the comment section. All right, goodbye.